Hey, what do it, y'all? Swish Entertainment putting y'all tuned to all y'all favorite rappers and celebrities like before time these little favorite done for y'all first. Please like, comment, subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell as well. That'd be great. Search your channel and put y'all tuned to this story. Now today we'll be talking about the Baton Rouge, Louisiana rapper known as Boosie, as a lawsuit has been threatened against him by a general attorney for him having made usage of a college student's name in his event. The student went by the name of Caleb Wilson, who went to Southern University. He had unfortunately become victim of a fraternity hazing incident in February. Specifically on the date of February 27th, the college student had lost his life after being punched repeatedly during the fraternity hazing incident. Boosie at his event had expressed his intentions to start a scholarship in the late 20-year-old college student's name. The Louisiana Attorney General, who goes by the name of Murrill, did not take kindly to this and said that Boosie had no authority to make mention of this college student's name. Earlier this month, the Baton Rouge artist Boosie had announced his plans to start the scholarship in Caleb Wilson's name during his 6th annual Boosie Bash Festival at a Southern University. The Louisiana General Attorney this week had accused Boosie of having used Caleb Wilson's name, image, and likeness without his family's permission. In addition, this General Attorney accused the Louisiana rapper of having used Caleb Wilson's memory for promotion of his event that wasn't charitable. This Attorney General Murrill can be quoted as saying, "Caleb Wilson's parents have advised me that they have not given consent and know nothing about their son's name and image being used to promote this event. They didn't even know the event was happening. They have requested that his name, image, and any reference to a scholarship for him be removed from all promotional materials. I intend to take legal action due to their misappropriation of his name and image to promote their for-profit event. This is not a charitable event." So in looking into the statements made by this Attorney General, she is claiming that Boosie has not gone into contact with the parents of this student, which is Caleb Wilson. Murrill also claims that Caleb Wilson's parents had no knowledge that Boosie would be promotional of a scholarship and usage of Caleb Wilson's name. Based off of Murrill's word, the Attorney General had gotten into contact with Caleb Wilson's parents, claiming that they had made the demand that Caleb Wilson's name is removed from the scholarship entirely. The Attorney General Murrill continued on to state that she plans to take legal action against Boosie, accusing him of having used Caleb Wilson's name in promotion of his for-profit event that was not charitable. Boosie did not take long to become aware of the comments made by the Attorney General. He would end up putting out his own response on his ex profile. Boosie had taken to his ex profile to say, "It's sad for this lawyer and family to say I promote my event off someone's passing. My event was promoted on Eventbrite since November 14th. This incident happened a week before my event was to take place. How the mess can I capitalize off someone dead for a concert? That ain't me. A death for a student won't help a concert, it will hurt a concert. I was asked to help the situation, and that's what I was doing once I made it home. But for y'all to say that y'all are taking legal action against someone who's trying to help y'all is a slap in my face and completely wrong. When keeping it real goes wrong, shaking my head, BR, I'm done. Another money grab. This is the ultimate betrayal, shaking my head." So in looking into the comments made by Boosie, the Baton Rouge rapper denied having used Caleb Wilson's name to promote his event. He would also question how he could ensure his event's success in using the late college student's name in his concert. The Baton Rouge rapper expressed that he felt betrayed and that his actions and intentions were misconstrued in him having used the late college student Caleb Wilson's name in his scholarship that he planned to start. Boosie today had decided to speak further on the Attorney General making the announcement that she plans to take legal action against the Baton Rouge rapper. He would take to his ex profile once again to say, "Can someone from that family call me? No one is trying to get us on the line. I've been trying to get y'all 20K since it was brought to my attention. The university, no one wants to put us contact. This is a dang shame. How they doing me? 100. Attorney General Murrill, you can call me too. The revenue I bring to the capital city is unmatched. The fun and excitement is unmatched. No violence 6 years in a row at my events. Not even a fight in the city that murders every weekend. Instead of trying to bring me down and take from me, maybe y'all should allow me to be put in positions to make a change in the city. I've heard this Attorney General has a grudge against rappers. If that is the case, you need to sit down with me and talk. I'm not just a rapper. I'm a daddy, filmmaker, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. This is the reason I left this dang state. Y'all won't let me be great. Shaking my head, it's all good. I will forever be #Mr. Louisiana." So on this post, Boosie once again expresses disapproval in the legal threat that the Attorney General had made. Boosie opted to get into contact with Caleb Wilson's family and the Attorney General Murrill. The rapper had also conveyed that none of Caleb Wilson's family had made an effort to get into contact with him, nor has the Southern University helped him get into contact with the family as well. Boosie had made the claim that he is willing to give $20,000 as aid to the family of Caleb Wilson. The Louisiana rapper had also spoken on video in response to the situation concerning the Attorney General. That video will be provided for viewers to look at shortly.
These people with me in Louisiana. That's why I moved from now on there, bro. It might be the last of Boosie Bash. It might be the last, bro. I'm thinking taking Boosie Bash on the road, bro. Look for some venues this morning. Spend me about $300,000 on the tour right quick. I'm gonna take this on the road, man. They ain't gonna let me be great, bro. Man, I did this out of love, bro. My business partner came to me. He said, man, you know that kid just died, man. You wanna do something for that kid, man? And his family. Kid just died at sudden. I'm like, of course I'll do something for him. We'll give him a 20, man. You know what I'm saying? Do a $10,000 scholarship and give him another 10 to his family when we get there. It's sad, bro. You know, like, all the revenue I bring to this city, all the stuff, they just always trying to take me down, bro. Like,
So looking at this video, Boosie appeared to be emotionally distraught and disappointed in the situation that he is dealing with concerning the Attorney General. He has spoken on the likelihood that his Boosie Bash event was likely going to be discontinued in Louisiana and instead will be brought on the road. He had also made it known that his business partner had consulted him, informing him about the death of Caleb Wilson at Southern University, asking him if he wanted to give any efforts towards helping that situation. Boosie claims that he had responded by offering $20,000 in totality, $10,000 going towards a scholarship in Caleb Wilson's name and $10,000 going towards Caleb Wilson's family. Boosie had expressed that he had brought up Caleb Wilson's name and said that he was going to make a scholarship for him at his Boosie Bash event out of love. He was suggestive that he came up with the Caleb Wilson scholarship out of the kindness of his heart. Now, the victim, Caleb Wilson, has sadly lost his life on February 27, as previously reported. The man was pledging Omega Psi-Phi in an off-campus ritual in which he would get punched several times in his chest. Caleb Wilson, unfortunately due to the blows that were done to his chest, had collapsed. His friends had made the decision to take him to the Baton Rouge General Hospital and claimed that he had fainted during a basketball game. Caleb Wilson had unfortunately succumbed to the impact done to his stomach and had lost his life. The individual known as Caleb McCrae, who was a Southern University graduate and alum, had decided to turn himself in and was the first individual that was arrested. This college graduate, of course, was arrested in connection to the death of Caleb Wilson. This college graduate's charges include manslaughter and criminal hazing. A judge involved in this case had made the decision to grant Caleb McCrae a $100,000 bond, with $75,000 being issued towards the manslaughter charge and $25,000 being issued towards the criminal hazing charge. Two other suspects were apprehended for criminal hazing, which was Kyle Thurman and Isaiah Smith, with Isaiah Smith having made the decision to turn himself in. This investigation is still currently in the process when it comes to the Southern University incident, and it could involve more suspects as time develops. But yeah, that's cool. Capos, let me know what y'all think in the comments. What do you guys think of this Attorney General having threatened to take legal action against Boosie for having used Caleb Wilson's name in his event? Do you all think that Boosie's intentions were pure in using the college student's name in his event and attaching it to a scholarship, or do you all think that he was using it for financial gain, which is what the Attorney General had accused him of? And to cap that off, do you all think that the Baton Rouge rapper Boosie should make the decision to discontinue his Boosie Bash event in Louisiana and take it elsewhere? Let all that be known in the comments, y'all. That's gonna do it. I'm out.